Let's make some Pholourie today, guys. This is a Guyanese Trinidadian street food. What I did is soak my split peas, place it into my food processor with some garlic, hot pepper, and some freshly chopped turmeric. You want to let this blend up until it becomes mushy, then place it into your bowl. Once you place it into your bowl, you're going to add some ground cumin, some salt, baking powder, along with some yeast. You can also use some green seasonings at this time, all right? Make sure you taste as you go while you mix. You want to use warm water when you're doing this just so that it can rise quickly. Once it's all mixed and nice, set it to sit down like for about 3/4 of an hour until it looks like this, all rised and nice. So here I'm going to put my hand into some water, then I'm going to get some of that dough into my hand. Then over medium heat I have some oil, and once the oil gets hot, I'm going to place it into that oil. Now you can also use a spoon to soak in the water, then scoop some of that dough and place it into the oil. If you don't want to do it like this, then just use the spoon, and if you try doing it like this, just do not burn yourself. All right, so at this time you want them to fry for about 3 to 4 minutes, and you want to toss them around so that they are evenly cooked. Once they are done cooking, you are going to place them into a sieve and make sure you get all the oil drained from it. Now you can use this with some spicy mango sauce or also some tamarind sauce. And here we have our fried dough ball made with flour, split pea powder, and seasonings. And yes, guys, you need to give it a try. You'll be eating this delicious snack by the dozens, trust me. It is so tasty and nice. So give it a try, leave me a comment, and enjoy. See you soon. Bye.